Welcome back again in part 4. In last video we saw how to split, how to slow fast your video and add animation in your video. Now we will explore new tools like delete, remove background and style. I already added some photos and videos in our project. Sometimes what happen, you unnecessarily add photos or video in our project. That time you need to delete that one. For deleting, you just select video and select the delete option. It will be easy when you want to delete multiple videos or photos from timeline. So this is the use of delete tool. Our next tool is remove background. The name itself represents the feature of this tool. I applied a remove background effect to one of our photo. Here you can see that the Capcut removed background in a better way. I know this is not 100% perfect, but it is giving inbuilt feature, so there is no need to edit a photo in Photoshop or PixArt. When you have disturbing background, that time you can use this feature for removing background for your photos. You can try yourself and tell me how it was in a comment box. Our next tool is style. It is the one of the best feature available in Capcut app because you can turn a normal photo into 3D photo. There are best tools available in style tools, like you can use 3D Zoom Pro, 3D Zoom and Big Head. Now I am applying 3D Zoom Pro to a photo. It will be take a 20 seconds to process your photo. Now you can see the result of 3D Zoom Pro effect. I can guarantee that you definitely going to try this feature. Apply this style to your photos and create awesome reels. Before moving forward, I request you to subscribe my channel because it gives me motivation. Hope you guys are enjoying and learning new tools from this tutorial. Let's see output of this 3D Zoom Pro. Always stay tuned for such exciting stuff. Goodbye.